You don't need JAMB UTME to gain admission. It's a British program, remember?
You can study right here in Nigeria. Twim Institute is an accredited center of the British Computer Society.
The programs are fully accredited by the UK government department in charge. This implies that they are widely accepted, including by agencies like WES for Canada Express Entry.
The BCS curricula at the different levels are wide. Earning a BCS qualification shows that you are truly dynamic and an up-to-date IT professional.
You can study from levels 4 to 6, which correspond to the first and final years of a UK bachelor's degree.
We are a vocational school. We do hands-on learning. You not only learn to pass the exam, you become skilled as a professional. Get in touch with us today.